Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Algorithm and Data Structure class. Good morning, my student. Today I will teach you how to uh, implement, how to design an algorithm and also data structures by using Python programming language. Okay, for this course, I use Tony IDE, and you can download it from https://tony.org, and you can also use another language, for example C++, or Java, whatever you want. But I teach you how to use the Tony and the Python programming language. So basically, Tony comes with Python 3.10 built-in. So just one simple installer is needed and you are ready to learn programming. You can also use a separate Python installation if necessary. And the initial user interface is stripped of all features that may distract beginners. But I think we can learn together how easily code algorithm by using Python programming language. And what is Python? In algorithm science. So basically, Python can we can design an algorithm by using Python. And also Python provides us a lot of algorithm, complex algorithm. But I will teach you how to build a simple algorithm from the scratch. So algorithm is a step-by-step procedures which defines a set of instructions to be executed in a certain order to get the desired output. For example, I want to eat a white warm rice. So how can I achieve how I can eat the rice? In the beginning, I need to go to the store and then I buy a rice bucket or a rice pack, and then I came back to my home, and then I need to open the case of the rice pack and then pouring the rice in a rice cooker container, and then I pouring water inside the container, and I measure the ratio between the rice and also the water. After that, I put the container inside the rice cooker and close the lid, and then I need to turn on the rice cooker. And then finally, after maybe around 15 minutes, I can get my rice ready and also warm. Okay, maybe that's all about the algorithm in the in our daily activities. Algorithms are generally created independent and of underlying languages. That is, an algorithm can be implemented in more than one programming language. So, algorithm itself can be designed, can be implemented by and recreated by another person maybe, and also can be uh, write in another language. For example, C++, Java, Python, MicroPython, and so on. And below are some important categories of algorithm. I will give you 5 examples. The first one is search algorithm, which is this algorithm will search an item in a data structure. For example, searching a prime number or searching the maximum number, the minimum number, etc. Second one is sort algorithm to sort items in a certain order. And then the insert algorithm to insert our desired item in a data structure. After that, we have also update algorithm to update an existing item in a data structure, replace the item itself. And the last one is the algorithm to delete an existing item from a data structure. And the characteristic of an algorithm, not all procedures can be called an algorithm. An algorithm should have following characteristics. So maybe in my example, I want to eat rice. Thus, it should be clearly defined in my algorithm, and then it should be this algorithm should be can be recreated by another person. So thus the algorithm not only for me but my family also can do the same things. So the characteristic that the procedure can be categorized as an algorithm. First, unambiguous. Algorithm should be clear and unambiguous. Each of its steps and their input and also output should be clear and must lead to only one meaning. And then the input of the algorithm should have 0 or more well-defined input. So the input also should be clear. And the output, an algorithm should have 1 or more well-defined output and should match the desired output. Okay, so basically the input can be known, but the output should be 1. We have a target for the algorithm. What is the target? Should be 1 or more. And then finiteness. Algorithm must terminate after a finite number of steps. Thus, the algorithm cannot be executed forever. Should the algorithm should be have a start phase and also stop phase, beginning and end. And the fourth is feasibility. Should be feasible with the available resources. What is the function of the module should be defined and should be feasible. It means it can be recreated by using another devices or recreated by another persons. And also the last is independent. An algorithm should have step-by-step direction. So the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, until the end of algorithm should be clearly defined and has an order. Which one is the first one? And then the next step should be what number, what direction. Okay. And Python also support the data structure. So the basic Python data structure in Python includes list, set, tuples, and dictionary. Each of data structure is unique in its own data. It's in its own way. Data structure are containers that organize and group data according to the type. And the basic Python data structure in Python include list, set, tuples, and dictionary. Okay, we will learn about that after this slide. Okay, this one, the example of the use of this is actually this algorithm. This is the first algorithm how to build n number, how to build a set of data which is n number of set of data, and then we will find or search which one is the highest or the maximum number, and we also can search which one is the lowest number. And also this is the algorithm that can be used to search the prime number, check the prime number, whether or not the input data can be defined as prime number. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you very much. We will continue in the second part. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.